that's the final result. A pretty good looking model of a World War I aircraft. So we have a nice sticker for the engine, which looks pretty good. Then we have a printed piece up here for the consoles. Sadly, no lever, no control lever in the cockpit. Then we are missing some pieces here, so some of those 1x2 slopes were supposed to be on both sides, here and here as well, but they were not included here, but that's okay, so that doesn't harm the look of this. Then we have some stud shooters up front, and they work perfectly fine. And what else? We have those wheelchair wheels. I think they look pretty good here. And yeah, so that's a nice little build. And then we have the movable part back here. And yeah, I think that's a pretty good looking build. So for those of you who are interested in this plane, in particular its inspiration, this is a German plane, a German Fokker E3, Fokker E3 from 1915, and it doesn't look like one because of the stars. So the stars give it a somehow American look, in my opinion, and the typical German military logo would be the Iron Cross. So why is that not included here? If it was included here in the Indiana Jones biplane from 2008, or the triplane from the Red Baron biplane, no, triplane, excuse me, from the early 2000s. So why are there no Iron Crosses on this one? So I've thought about that for a moment and then realized that the only reason, in my opinion, is that this set, or this aircraft, came in a set from 2017, and this one in a set from 2008, and the other one from 2003, I think. So maybe Lego got some criticism for providing those Iron Cross stickers, although they're not like illegal or anything like that, but especially with this plane, the film is set during the 1930s, especially the late 1930s. So it's almost a World War II model, you could say that. And maybe they got some criticism for doing that, and they just don't want to get into any political trouble of any kind, and so they just don't provide any German insignia for their sets, which is understandable, but it's it's lacking detail a bit on that one. But after all, we have to keep in mind that that is a playset, and kids luckily don't care about that as much as we might do. And yeah, given that this is a playset, I'm also perfectly fine with stud shooters here. So that really increases the play value of this small build. So what am I going to do with that? One option, of course, is that I just put it on display. I mean, it looks pretty good for that. Or that idea just came to my mind, that I could use this as a promotional airplane. So I don't know if you know what I mean with that. Just those airplanes which would pull a large banner behind them, flying over the city, and that banner would say, buy this, or drink this, or eat that, or vote for him, vote for her, things like that. Just big advertisements, and everyone would look up and read that. And I'm not completely sure how I could realize this in my city, but I think if this is possible, I think this could look really great. So yeah, excuse the escalation into a history lesson here. I hope you've enjoyed this video anyways. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this little topic I just opened up here. Do you think that iron crosses should be produced in LEGO sets like they are in sets of other companies with bricks? Or do you think no, it's better to have no German signs and logos at all in play sets? So let me know what you think about that in the comments down below, and I see you in the next video. Bye.